Alright, you're welcome to this particular video. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the complete interface of Ourbit. So this is going to be a full tour about this interface, everything you will be needing for your Ourbit trading or Ourbit business going forward. So but first, if you're new and you've not installed this app, I will advise you install the app because it makes the work easier. So for you to install the app, just go to your Play Store or iOS Store, whichever one. Then you type or search for Ourbit. You can see right there. Let me just search for Ourbit. You can see it right there. So this has 100k download and 1k review, and it's at 4.9. So let me just update my own. Updating it so that we can work with the recent update. You understand? So now I'm just updating my own. If you've not installed, what you're going to see is the install button, just like as you can see right here. You can see install button right here on this one. So I'm done updating. The next thing, it says open. So I'm just going to click on open right here to open it up. I believe we are going to have the latest application right now. So now everything is done. So let me walk you through this interface step by step. Please pay attention to this particular video. Okay, so the first thing you want to notice here is these buttons right down here. These buttons right down here. Okay, let me remove that. So these buttons right down here. Yeah, so those are the buttons that are like the dominant buttons, because those are the buttons you will be using for everything you will be doing on Ourbit. The first one is the home. This is the home. You can see everything right here. So that is the home. The next one is market. If I click on market, it shows you all the market right here. You can see inside this market, you can see we have favorite right here: crypto, commodities. Okay, let me just use favorite, cryptos, commodity, stock. Then if I scroll like this, you can see that more items came out: forex and what stock index. Right now, you can see right here that we are on the all button or all menu. You can also see under, you can see spot menu and you can see features menu. All of these things are where are found in the market. You can see the market right there. So now the next thing you want to do is, if you want to switch depending on what you're looking for, this all means they will be showing you both spot market and futures market. Get now, if you look at it, you can see that some of them have this PERP. You can see it right there. So it shows you those ones that are having PERP are perpetual market, which is like the futures market, right? So now if you click on this spot, it means you are just on the spot market. Now why you are seeing few item right here is because I am on favorites. You can see. So if I want to see more, I'll click on crypto. Let me click on crypto right here. Yeah, so if I click on crypto, you can see spot and futures. Now under spot like this, you can see these are the spot trading that you have. Remember, the first one was on favorite, so the favorite was showing me all, then shows futures, sorry, spot and then futures. But if I just want to see only crypto, I don't want to see anything forex, I don't want to see anything commodities, then I just click on my crypto. Now once you click on crypto, you are going to be left with just spot and futures. So this spot is just showing you everything about the spot. I've already told you about the meaning of spot trading, right? It's just buying and holding for the bull run, right, to come, and then you sell and make your profit. So that is what spot trading is. Future trading, I've also explained future trading. So if you don't understand them, please go back and watch the previous video before this one, and you're going to understand futures and sports very well. Now on futures trading, you can see these are all the coins on futures trading. So everything we are doing right here is under the market, remember. So it's under the market. Now Once you see a trade like this, or once you see a coin like this under market, and you click to open it, for instance, let's say I click BTC right here to open. If it opens, you're going to see that it's going to bring us to our this thing, our futures interface, or the chart interface. So this is the chart interface. You're going to come back to this place. We're just doing an overview. If I click on spot and click on, let's say, this zero, or let's say JST. If I click on JST, you can see it still brings us to the chart, but there are differences. You may not really see the differences right now. It's when we start talking about them that you are going to notice them. So just take note that the chart for features and the chart for sports, there are differences. You understand? I'll point out those differences when we go into them proper. Now, the next thing here, I don't want to go into all of these at once. You can just open them to look at them, open them to look at them, open them to look at them. So let's go back to our crypto and stay on crypto. Now the next button right here is trade. So if I click on the trade right there, you can see that the trade brings us to this place. So this place is for you to buy. You can see what it says here, buy JST, right? Buy JST right here. So this one is typically for just spot trading. That is this trade button you're seeing right here is for those who are just ready to just buy and hold. Now after that button, the next button we have is futures button. So this is where people who are trading futures, this is the button that they click to trade their futures, right? You can see right here I am in different trades, and most of my trades are in red, but I don't mind because I know that it's part of the things that happens with futures. So let's continue the video. Now after that, the next thing you want to see is wallet, right? So this is where you see all the money you have, or the assets you have. If you have money in spot, you're going to see it in spot. If you have money in futures, you're going to see it. If you're staking, you're going to see it under N. You understand? So this place we are going to cover everything here in a more detailed video. I'm just showing you the interface, right? This is just showing you the interface. Now under this place, you can see spot is here, features and N. You can see them up, spot, features and N. So they are just the same thing. You understand? It's under this wallet. You can also see deposit button, withdrawal button and transfer button. So you are going to discuss these ones in more detail. So let's go back to home. Now under home, I've already talked about this interface before, but let me just mention it right here. You can see this place. This place, you're going to see all the tools, all the things that services that Ourbit offers. This is where you're going to see them. So if I click on this, just hold it down and drag it to the left, you're going to see more things. You can see buy crypto, semiconductors, referrals. If you want to join the referral program, BTC simple and forex trading, and all of that. Now mind you, all these things you're seeing right here, they are still under these buttons right here. They are still under these buttons you're seeing, right? And as I said, these buttons are the most important thing, right? For instance, you can see forex. You can see forex right there, right? So if I click on markets, you can see forex right here again, right? Now the only thing you can see that is not there is maybe dex. So if I click on this dex right now, it's going to take us to their decentralized exchange where you trade meme coins. You understand? Just like you have the Binance Alpha and all of that on Binance. So this is where you trade their meme coins. You can see this place. One of the reasons why I love Ourbit is that they put a lot of new meme coins in this place. So if you don't have access to trading meme coins using a decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, Phantom, and a decentralized exchanges like GMGN or Dex Screener or all of those platforms, then you can just trade them right here as well. So let's go back. Switch to sex. You can see when you are on the Dex, you can just easily switch to sex by clicking on this button right here, and you switch to what? To sex exchange, CEX exchange. So now this is for Dex. I've also talked about Forex. Now, this more right here shows you all the services that you can now see. These are the common functions, the ones I use more. You can see them right here. After that, this is for gifts. If you want to do gifting and all of that, and earning purpose, that is for that. Then after that, the trading section, this is where you see all the things for trading, like futures trading, copy trading, dex trading, forex trading, spot trading. Everything is inside. You can see it here, it's named trade, right? Now, if you want to contact support, this is the place, this is the side you come. You look for any of them here to use to contact their support, right? So this is just the full interface of Ourbit. I just said I'm going to show us this interface so that you understand what is happening right here on Ourbit. Now, going forward, we will now be touching each of them one by one. For instance, we can look at the market, we can look at the futures trading, we can look at the asset, we can look at the copy trading. Now, the last one I did not touch is our profile. Already, we have been using the profile. If you have been following this video, that is your profile. If you have been following this video, you notice I've already gone to profile. Under profile, this is where you can see your complete profile, which is here, right? Now you can see that when you click on profile, you still brings you back to this interface where you saw this N. You can see this N right here. You can see US stock futures reward. All of these things we are on the other interface, right? All of these things we are seeing right here, we are all in this place. Let me go back. We are all under more. You can see them right here. They are all under more. So basically, it's just the same thing. You understand? So don't need to panic. No need to panic. Just know that they are all the same thing. If I click on more right here, it still brings me back to this place. So there's no need to panic about anything. They are just the same thing. Now, if I click on this small arrow right here, you can see that it takes us straight to our main profile. Under this main profile, here is where you do your security settings, your KYC, you get your referral link, you see fee settings, transactions, sub account. If you want to create sub account, and you can also log out. So this is where you do all of that. So I believe you've understood how this Ourbit interface works right now. If you have any question concerning the Ourbit interface, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section and I'll answer all of your questions. And by the way, if you want to join us for more about crypto trading, investment, and future trading, then look for our Telegram handle. You can see the Telegram handle anywhere in the description of this video. Just use that Telegram handle or the link to join us on Telegram so that you can enjoy more benefits. You can get signals from me, you can enjoy other guides and tips from me as well. All right, that is it for me in this particular video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I also hope you are going to share this video with your friends. I will see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.